What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is Pnwrcmadness. Today we got the Traxxas Mini Maxx on the bench, and well, check it out, guys. We got a brand new servo in there. What is it? Let me tell you. So a few weeks ago, my computer just was, you know, struggling hardcore, and really that's the last video I made, guys, besides on my phone. But I did make a video, and I don't know what happened to the footage, but it was of this brand new servo we installed. Check that out, guys. It is the Hitec IP67, so it is waterproof, it is Metal Gear, and you know, I use the same one in my Traxxas Maxx. I don't remember the specs, but it's something like 400 something ounces of torque at 8.4 volts. Let's go ahead and turn it on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And then we'll go outside, take it for a rip. But before we do that, I did want to show you guys another upgrade that I sell for the truck. There we go, check it out, here we are. Oh, what's going on? I'll turn on the truck, Chris. It's pretty fast and it's pretty powerful. Let me show you guys. Oh, here comes Ace. There's a good look at those front shock guards by Matt Stetz. Find him on Facebook. That's not what we wanted. All right, guys, check it out. That's what we just attempted right there. We're gonna go ahead and take the GoPro off the truck and put it on my head. All right, guys, we gotta hurry up. My remote batteries are dying. So this is what we just tried to do right here. It's kind of sunny, but let's try it anyways. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh! Woo! That was a hit, guys. Well, check it out, guys. This thing is awesome. Here we go. Oh, and it landed on the wheels. Oh, the body keeps popping off, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna end it because my remote keeps on telling me voltage low, please charge. So there it is, guys. The Traxxas Mini Maxx is absolutely amazing. We brought it to the concrete jungle. We took a good few hits. We didn't break. The servo is holding on awesome, just like I expected. Definitely, I'll try to leave a link for that in the description below. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you like this video, and I will leave you guys a ton of links for all the parts on my truck so you guys can build yours just like mine and go have lots of fun. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Well, check it out, guys. We got the truck back home and we got no brakes. Servo held up awesome. All the GPM parts are holding up amazing. We got the shocks, we got the Nerf bars. Check it out, we got the rear wheelie bar. We got the J Concept magmas. We got the GPM steering links. Again, there it is. Hitec IP67. We got the GPM knuckles installed today, actually. And then this is my ultimate favorite, the Castle Creations Mamba, just the Mamba X. And I can't remember the KV we're running there, but it's absolutely amazing. And then check out the brace. I know it took some hits right there, so probably helped the chassis from snapping. And yeah, that's gonna end the video, guys. Please do stay tuned for the next one.